Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we are going to continue the developing of our math game app. In the previous video, we have designed the game page. So this is nothing but this is the game page we have developed it. Now it's time to write the game logic in the Kotlin. So let's jump straight into the Android Studio and get started. We have got the 6 text views. So you'll be able to see 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are all the six text views we are having. I have given IDs to 3 of them because I will be using only 3 in the code. The other 3 are just labels. So let's define them in the Kotlin. So let's go to our game activity, and here I will be writing late init where late init. So this one will be something like this, yeah, where, and here I can write text score, which is of type text view. So here I can have another one late init where text live, which is of type text view, and another one is late init where text time, which is of type text view. So these are the things, and you can have another one late init text question, which is of type text view, late init, and we need to have it as in where here. Okay, and another one is late init where text answer is of type text view. Okay, so this is the thing which we need to have it. So now we also have a buttons. So let's try to have the button also. Late init where button, okay, which is of type button. Late init where button next, which is of type button. So fine, this is done. So let's try to have the let's try to bind this one also. Now inside the onCreate function, let's link everything to our layout using the findViewById. So here you can have something like text score is equal to findViewById or dot id dot text view score, and you can also have text live is equal to findViewById or dot id dot text view live, and another one is text time is equal to findViewById of or dot id dot text view time, and the last and another thing is text question is equal to findViewById or dot id dot text view question. Text answer is equal to findViewById or dot id dot edit text answer, and the last two ones button okay is equal to findViewById or dot id dot button okay, and another is button next is equal to findViewById or dot id dot button next. That's it. So hopefully these are the things which we are trying to edit. Now we will create, once this is done, so we can add the click listeners for our button. Okay, so here you can have button okay dot set on click listener, and here you can have another one button next dot set on click listener. So these are the two buttons which we are having. So now what we need to do, all right, now the basic setup is done. So we need to generate a random math question for the player. Now let's create a function and call game continue. So here I will be writing a function game continue. So this is nothing but the continuation of the game. So here this is all the game logic where it will go here. Inside this function we will create randomly what I mean to say is two numbers. So here I can do val number 1 is equal to random. So we have a method in the Kotlin Random.nextInt. So you can write the range 0 to 10. And here you can have another one val number 2 is equal to so random dot next int, and this one is also 0 comma 10. So these are the two random numbers which you will be having. So now we need to have the symbol also. So here you can have so the type of symbol which we want to have it. Symbol is equal to, right now it will be empty, and here you can have the type also. So that is nothing but intent dot get string extra, and there is nothing but type which is coming from the game activity, main activity. So fine, so now we have this one all. So what can I do here? If symbol, sorry, if type is equal to r dot string dot addition dot to string. Okay, if it is this one means, then what I can do here, so I can take the symbol as plus. Okay, so this is the thing. And else if type is equal to r dot string dot subtraction dot to string, then what I can do, symbol is equal to minus. So else if type is equal to r dot string dot multiplication dot to string, then if this one is the case means, then what I can do here, so I can do symbol is equal to star. So I have the three steps. So what I could be writing is, if symbol is equal still it is empty means, then I can show a toast message, toast dot make text of this, and here unable to start the game, please try again. And here you can have toast dot length underscore long dot show. If the symbol is there means, then I can have in the text question dot text is equal to, so here I can have $1 and dollar symbol, and last one is the $2. So this is the thing which I can show you. So fine, so this one is finished. So we will display something like 45 plus 62 or something like that. We'll be showing. Now when the user clicks on the OK button, so we will take the answer from the edit text and we need to check it. But first, what if the user clicks OK without entering anything? So then it could crash the app, right? So we should have a safety check for that one. So here button OK. So first of all, we will try to take val input is equal to text answer answer dot text dot to string. So we got the input, and if I will try to check if input is equal to empty, then what can I do here? So I can show the same toast dot make text of this comma, please write an answer and click next. Okay, and here you can have the toast dot length underscore long dot show finish. Else if the input is there, so then what I need to do, so let's try to take the input where user answer is equal to input dot to string, sorry, to int. So because I need to convert it, so because they will be entering the number. So fine, so in the edit text empty, we show a text message. If not, we will convert the user input to the integer. We will create, now let's try to create some global variables for the game. So that is nothing but here where correct answer is equal to 0, and here you can have where user score also will be 0, where user life will be of 3. So these are the three variables which I will be trying to do it. Now inside our game continue, okay, where is our game continue? Yeah, here we are having game continue, and here you can write correct answer is equal to number 1 plus number 2. This is one thing. And if symbol is minus means, so you can have correct answer is equal to number 1 minus number 2, and the last one which you will be having is the correct answer is equal to number 1 into number 2. That's it. So now here let's try to check the correct answer. We have it. Now let's try to check it here. So here you can write in such a way that if user answer, so user answer is equal to correct answer, sorry, not correct correct answer is there. So if it is equal to correct answer, then what I can do, so I can increase the score, plus is equal to 10, plus is equal to 10. Okay, and what I can do is I can use text question dot text is equal to congratulations, your answer is correct, your answer is correct. So you can have it like this. And another one, what I can do it is, and here I can do text score, so I need to update the score also, right? So I can do user score dot to string, I will be updating. So if the answer is not correct means, then what I can do, I need to do user life minus minus. Okay, and here text question dot text I can do. So oops, your answer is wrong. So you can have it like this, and you can have text life dot text dot text is equal to user life dot to string. Fine, right? So this one is also finished. So now if the player is right, their score goes up by 10. If they are wrong, they lost 1 life. And now we will call game continue inside on create so that a question appears. Now the game will show a new random question whenever the page opens. So let's try to run this app. Let's try to see. So now we are opening the thing and the game page opens and asks you question. So let's click on that button. So here, hey, what happened here? We are not showing it or what? Text question dot text is equal to, we are showing it, right? I clicked on the thing. So this is not the text question. Text question is equal text view question. We are doing it. Okay. Now we are having a symbol. Symbol is equal plus minus, and we are trying to take it. And we are getting the intent dot get extra also. Type also we are getting it. So what would be the wrong here? Let's try to check the locket if anything wrong came. Oh, here one wrong is there. I don't know what is that wrong. Let's try to refresh this one again. Okay. I don't know why it is not coming. Try to rerun this one again. Let me check again. Okay, I understood what could be the issue here. So when I click on this one, so here first of all I need to call this game continue, right? Then only I can able to get it. Game continue. So now I need to call this method so that I can able to check it. Now let's try to rerun this one again. I'm rerunning this one again. Okay, I click on the addition. See, now I am able to see 0 plus 1. If I try to write 2 and if I click on OK, oops, oh, maybe I think something wrong. So life has been decreased to 2. Let's click on the next will not work. So let's go back here and I click on the addition again. 7 plus 3. So I can write test 10, and if I click on this one, congratulations, your answer is correct. And you are able to see the score also has been increased. Let's click on the subtraction. 5 minus 6. So maybe it could be minus 1, something like that. Oops, your answer is wrong. Okay, let's go on to the multiplication. So it is having something like this. So let's try to do it. Congratulations, your answer is correct. So everything is working. Hopefully everything is working fine. So that's it guys about this one. So now we have designed our basic thing. Okay, so now let's if you want we can also make the next question also, button next also will try to make it work. So here, where is that button next button? Yeah, here we are having it. So if you want you can do it, edit text answer, sorry, not it, text answer dot text of, or otherwise dot text is equal to empty, and again you can call the game continue. So fine, let's try to rerun this one and we'll try to check it. So now here when I click on this addition, so here you will be able to see 8 plus 4, that is nothing but 12, and I will click on the congratulations and click on next. Again it is asking, so I will try to click on 9, and again your answer is correct. I will click on next. So here you will be able to see this is also increasing. Okay, I will click on OK. So it has been increased. So if I try to do something wrong, so here life also has been decreased. So next is coming. So now here, awesome. So now we are able to complete the main game logic. The app can generate random questions, check answers, update scores, and also lives also can able to do it. In the next video, what we'll try to do is we'll add a timer to make the game more exciting. So that is the thing. So stay tuned for that one. So thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part. See you in the next video where we will add a timer and make the game even more fun. Bye for now. Thank you.